Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Bekti Nugrahadi. Today, I will present about my research, determination of the charging station, facility location-allocation model by considering the closest distance. A study in Solo. Beca is a traditional three-wheel vehicle in Indonesia since 1940. The increasing number of online-based two-wheel and four-wheel public transportation makes beca increasingly unnoticed by customers. On the other hand, beca have become a source of income for many people. Online-based public transportation is using oil-fuel engines, so it is not environmentally friendly. To reduce the impact of motor vehicle emissions, Solo Technopark, as a manufacturer of electric vehicles of e-trike, has the potential to replace beca that have begun to be abandoned. To support the wider use of e-trike, STP provides supporting facilities such as charging stations. So what is discussed in this paper? STP as a manufacturer wants to provide charging station facilities, but where and how many must be provided to be able to cover all demand. Beca are used in markets or malls, so 45 markets or malls are the point of demand. Things that need to be considered in this case are the number of related entities and how the supply flows. So it's necessary to create a supply chain network for that location. So this is a supply chain network design. The red square is the object research. STP as a battery center will build a charging station facility to serve e-trike users so that is easily accessible. This is a mathematical model that we made, and the first equation explains minimize the total distance between sources and charging station location. Equation 2 explains P is the expected number of equations. Equation 3 explains for each source must be able to be served by at least one CS location. Number 4 explains there are alternative charging station locations that can fulfill the sources. Equation 5 explains the capacity of each charging station location can accommodate as many as K. Number 6 explains the charging station location is selected or not. 7 explains sources I can be served or cannot be served by location G. So, the result and discussion. The calculation in this case uses several assumptions. The Solo City government only built a maximum of 3 charging stations. The number of e-trike is 1,000 units, and the capacity of each charging station is 70 units. Assuming a capacity of 70 units, because it is the minimum capacity to accommodate as many as 1,000 e-trikes so that the model becomes feasible. Based on the process of calculating the mathematical model using Lingo software, there are 20 locations selected as location for charging station and sources served. For each charging station, location of the bridge is able to serve up to 3 sources. This is the location that and the sources can be served So what is the conclusion? Based on the calculation of the model made, 20 out of 45 locations were selected to cover originally. The government must build at least 15 locations if the number of Iraq is 1,000 units. Supply chain design can provide smoothness, comfort, and convenience to customers because of its efficient distribution network. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.